If you want to create a new Gmail account for yourself, a new email address that is associated with a brand new Google account, I'll show you the exact steps to do it, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or a computer. So let's jump right in. Now, let's just open up a web browser on any device. You can see if I go to mail.google.com, it just loads up with my email. So we need to open up a new private or incognito window. On Safari to do that, tap on the three dots and then just tap on New Private tab. Once you've opened up a private or incognito tab, again, we're going to go to mail.google.com. But of course, it won't show that you're already signed in, and you can go and tap on Create an Account. It says, do you want to create an account for your personal use, for your child, or a work or business? I'm going to choose personal use. And then enter in your first name and your last name if you want to. I'll just enter in Trevor for right now. After that, tap on the next button. And it says, what is your month, day, and year, as well as your gender. So you can choose either female, male, rather not say, or custom depending on your preference. So just fill in something here and you'll be able to see afterwards. I'm going to hit next here. And it will say create an email address. And now it gives you a couple different random ones, but those aren't great emails because it's just a letter with a bunch of numbers. So let's hit create your own Gmail address. Now keep in mind on here, it does need to be unique. No one else can have this. So if I just type in Trevor, you'll be able to see if I go to hit next, it will say, all right, this username is not allowed because, of course, somebody already has trevor@gmail.com. So you'll need to enter in something unique that no one else has. After you've done that, just hit the next button and create your own password, and you will have set up your brand new Gmail account associated with your Google account as well. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I hope to catch you on the next one.